Hey, how was the trip?
The views were incredible. The people were friendly.
And the client?
Oh, I left him speechless.
Who is she?
Agent Graves. She's my best. My father worked for the agency. She was groomed since she was 18.
And her husband?
Hey, you. I missed you.
Civilian. Doesn't know who she is. He's the only family she's got.
Honey?
You're home early, Agent Graves.
Where's my husband?
There's a file, Canary Black. You are going to steal it from the agency. If you fail, your husband dies.
Serena, it's me. I need your help.
If our enemies get their hands on this,
It starts World War III.
you have to contain this.
Yes, sir.
I want every agent on the case.
You're crazy. I need to know what's on this now.
So disobeying instructions.
That's a character flaw of mine.
It's time to level the playing field.
The agency will hunt you to the grave.
I didn't betray my country. You've always believed in me. Believe in me now.
Go, go, go!
Adrian Graves! Only way you're leaving here is on a stretcher.
It's one woman, damn it, just find her.
You're wearing a mute mask. It controls the decibel level of your voice.
You're a crazy bitch.
We're not really using that word to describe women anymore. There's been a whole thing.